Good morning, students. Last class I told problems on partial fractions. At the same time, I have finished the problems on proper fractions problems. That is how to resolve into sum of partial fractions also I told. Even I have finished the problems on if the denominator have non-repeated linear factors also I told. Today we'll solve some different types of problems on partial fractions. When repeated linear factor, how to solve the problems. When the denominator have quadratic expression, at that time how to solve the problems. If the denominator have repeated and non-repeated, repeated and quadratic expression, non-repeated and quadratic expression, like that if they can mix all these factors at the time how to solve, I'll tell you about these all also here. Now first question, resolve into partial fractions. Resolve into partial fractions here. Resolve into partial fractions. Resolve into partial fractions. First question is 2x plus 3 whole dividing by x square minus 3x plus 2. 2x plus 3 whole dividing by x square minus 3x plus 2 here. First, whenever if you want to move to solve the partial fractions problems means, before that we have to check whether it is a proper fraction or improper fraction. The proper fractions problems ಅಥವಾ ಪಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ. ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. If it is proper fraction, better move to give solution in the way of method of proper solutions. If it is improper, for improper, one more method is there. After completion of all these proper fraction problems, then I'll tell you about improper also. Just now, we'll think about only proper fractions. First, degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is 2. That is 1 is less than 2. That's what it is the proper fraction. At the same time, in place of denominator, they gave x square minus 3x plus 2. It means it is a quadratic polynomial. Whether is it reducible or not, we have to check here. See here, x square minus 3x plus 2. Where is into is there? 1 into 2. 1 into 2 here is equal to 2. Two factors. For two factors are minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1 here. Then x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Take x common, then you will get x minus 2, and take minus common here, you will get x minus 2 here, and again x minus 2 take common, then you will get x minus 1 here. Because at the side of x minus 2 there is no nothing, means you have to consider that is the 1 here. that is x minus take common, then we'll get x minus 1 here. ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಆಗಲ್ವಂತ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ರಫ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅದು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್ ಆದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದೆ. Next, after completion of this problem, next we will solve the problems on irreducible quadratic factors also. Here, say this: 2x plus 3 whole dividing by x square minus 3x plus 2. It can be written as 2x plus 3 whole dividing by, in place of x square minus x plus 2, we have already factors, they are x minus 2 into x minus 1. Now use this step, and from this step only we are going to resolving this part into sum of partial fractions, and afterwards we have to find out the values of unknown. Say here, you consider here, consider 2x plus 3 whole dividing by x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 1, equation number 1 here. Now afterwards take cross multiplication and take LCM. After taking LCM, then you can take a cross multiplication. You will get one more step also. From that step only we are going to finding the values of capital A and capital B here. ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಲಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. That is 2x plus 3 whole dividing by x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 1, equation number 1 this is. Take LCM, 2x plus 3 whole dividing by x minus 2 into x minus 1. LCM for these two fractions is x minus 2 into x minus 1. Taking cross multiplication, capital A of x minus 1, capital B of x minus 2 this is. Now both are gets cancel. Both are gets cancel here. 2x plus 3 is equal to a of x minus 1 plus b of x minus 2. It is the main step. Equation number 2 this is. To cancel b, put x minus 1 is equal to 0. To cancel a, put x minus 2 is equal to 0 here. ನಿಮಗೆ a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ put x minus 1 is equal to 0. b ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ put x minus 2 is equal to 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See here, put First one is x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is implies x is equal to 2 in equation number 2. That is 2x plus 3 is equal to, instead of x we have 2 of, put x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x minus 2 plus 0, only instead of x is 2 here. x minus 2 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 of 2 plus 3 is equal to a of 2 minus 1 plus b of it is 0. So it is 4 plus 3 is equal to a into 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 0. 7 is equal to a, or we can write a is equal to 7. This is. Next, one more value here we have to find, that is the b is there, and for that take put x minus 1 is equal to 0, then you will get b also. Put x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is implies x is equal to 1 here in equation 1, in equation 2 here. Two into 1 plus 3 is equal to a of 0 plus b of x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus 2 here. 2 plus 3 is equal to a of 0 plus b of 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1 here. 5 is equal to plus into minus b, here limit 0, or we can write b is equal to here minus 5. We got two values a and b here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸು ಬಂದವು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7 ಅಂತ, ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ -5 ಅಂತ ಬಂದವಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here by applying all this solution of this procedure, and finally we got the values of a and b. By taking x minus 2 is equal to 0, we got the value of a is 7. At the same time, by taking x minus 1 is equal to 0, finally we got the value b is equal to -5. After getting these two, finally you must substitute in equation number 1, then you will get required sum of partial fractions. Put a is equal to 7 and b is equal to -5 in equation number 1, then you will get 2x plus 3 whole dividing by x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to a value is 7, that is 7 by x minus 2 plus b value is -5 whole dividing by x minus 1. This is the required answer for the given question. Like that, irreducible quadratic factors they give means first reducible quadratic factor means first you must convert them into product of factors. If it is irreducible means pattern is different. Next type of questions they will come here. ಇದು ಡೆನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಬಲ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇಂಟು ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. Resolve into partial fractions. Second question, resolve into partial fractions. First question is x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. Here degree of numerator is 1 and degree of denominator is, if you can expand like this, you will get x square. It means 2 x square into x cube 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Degree of denominator is becomes 3 here. That's why the given fraction is a proper fraction. At the same time, they gave here in place of denominator, one is a repeated factor, another one is a non-repeated factor. For repeated factor also I gave some conditions to solve partial fractions problems. Here first factor is repeated 2 times. For that we must get 2 fractions. And second one is non-repeated linear factor. They gave only 1. For that we'll get 1 more fraction. Like that we are going to converting into sum of partial fractions. First ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 3 ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪವರ್ 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, 2 + 1 3 ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹೋದ್ರೇನೋ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ 2 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 2 ಈಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಬಗಲಾಗಿರೋದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 1, 2 + 1 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಈಸಿಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, how to solve this solution of this problem. Solution here, therefore 1 is less than 3. That's what the given fraction is a proper fraction. Solution x plus 1 whole dividing by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. It is twice, it came repeated twice, that is a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 2. It is equation number 1. 2 times repeated means should get 2 fractions, and for the linear factor 1 more fraction, that is c by x minus 2. Now take a LCM here. X plus 1 whole dividing by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equal to LCM to all these fractions is x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 here. A into 1x minus 1, 1x minus 1 gets cancelled. Next remaining terms are a of x minus 1 into x minus 2 here. Plus b into x minus 1 square, x minus 1 whole square gets cancelled. Next remaining term is x minus 2. C into total x minus 2 gets cancelled. Then you will get c of x minus 1 whole square. Now both are gets cancelled here. Then you will get x plus 1 is equal to a of x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus b of x minus 2 plus c of x minus 1 whole square. It is the main step 2. Otherwise, we considered it is the equation 2. This is. From this equation only, we'll get the values of a comma b and c here. See here, from this step means here this side I'll do. Put x minus 1 is equal to 0. Put x minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 1 in equation number 2 here. It means in place of x minus 1 you must take 0. Instead of independently in place of x we can take x equal to 1 only here. Like that procedure, substitution of procedure, you have to apply for equation 2 here. X ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus 1 is equal to a of x minus 1 plus 0. 0 into x minus 2 becomes 0 only. Plus b into x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1, that is 1 minus 2, plus c into 0 square. 2 is equal to 0 plus b of 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1 plus 0. That is the 2 is equal to leave zeros here. Zeros ಬಿಟ್ಟುಬಿಡ್ರಿ. zeros ಇದ್ದು ನಮಗೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ b into minus 1 ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. b into minus 1 becomes here minus b, or we can write here b is equal to minus 2. One value we got here. We got one value among all the values of a comma b and c. Next, one more linear factor x minus 2 is there. Next, put x minus 2 is equal to 0. Put x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is implies x is equal to 2 in equation number 2 here. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ x minus 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. x minus 2 ಕಾಣಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಅಂತ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ x ಕಾಣಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ x ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಆ x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus 1 is equal to a of ಈ x minus 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 into x minus 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you can put instead of x minus 2 is place 0, then 0 into x minus 1 becomes 0 only here. 0 plus b of 0 plus c of x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 2 minus 1 whole square. That is the 2 plus 1 becomes 3 is equal to a into 0 0 plus 0 plus c into 2 minus 1 square means 1 here. That's why 3 is equal to c, or we can write c is equal to 3 here. And we got the values of b and c. We need a value of a. How to find out the value of a here? Because we have finished all types of linear factors. We have only two types of linear factors here. They are x minus 1 and x minus 2. By taking x minus 1 is equal to 0, we got one value, that is the b is equal to minus 2. And by taking x minus 2 is equal to 0, we got one more value, that is c is equal to 3. All linear factors mugitu. All close. We close to all substitution of linear factors. But what we should do to get one more value here? ಮತ್ತು ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು ನಾವು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ವೇ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೊಯಿಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್, comparing x square coefficients of 2 equation 2. You can take comparing x coefficients also. You can take put x equal 0 also, that is comparing constants also. Constants ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, comparing x coefficients ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, comparing x square coefficients ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. But here ನಮಗೆ if you can observe the second step, we are seeing x into x square, and here also x minus 1 whole square becomes x squares will get here. That's what we are getting x square terms also. That's why x square is the biggest variable here. That is the degree of variable is the biggest is 2. That's what we must and should give preference to comparing the coefficients of x square only. If x cube means you can take x cube also, no problem. Now if you can take comparing x square coefficients here, left hand side we don't have x square terms. ಈ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 0 ಹಿಯರ್ is equal to x into x square, then x square quotient at the side of x square, which is there, which letter is there? Capital A. Therefore capital A become coefficient of x square, that is capital A. Next, second term, we don't have x square terms in b of x minus 2. That's what last c of x minus 1 whole square. X square term will come on expand of x minus 1 whole square. There you will get x square plus 1 minus 2x. That's what here x square term c here. 0 is equal to a plus, already we got c value 3, send 3 this side, minus, that is implies a is equal to minus 3. A value is minus 3, c value is plus 3, b value is minus 2. After getting all these three, put them in equation 1. Put them in equation 1 here, like this. Put a is equal to minus 3, b is equal to, how much you got b value? Minus 2, and c is equal to plus 3 in equation number 1. Then it becomes x plus 1 whole dividing by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 is equal to a value is minus 3 by x minus 1, b plus minus 2 whole dividing by x minus 1 whole square, plus c value is 3 whole dividing by x minus 2. Like that we are going to substituting the values of a comma b and c in equation number 1. It is the procedure to find values of unknown from the sum of partial fractions. That's what this is the required answer for the given question. If the denominator have linear factors, repeated linear factors, non-repeated linear factors, quadratic polynomials, or quadratically in case of quadratic whether it is reducible or irreducible, have to check about those also. Like that today we have finished like all these questions. Next class will finish some more problems on partial fractions only. In partial fractions whenever repeated and quadratic factor and non-repeated linear factor, at that time how to solve like all those questions next class I'll tell you. Thank you very much.